everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So I just used a product in my hair called Nanogen Hair Hydrator. So it looks like that. There we go. It's made by a brand called Nanogen, and they're best known for their hair fibers, which are like a thickening fiber if you have thinning hair. It helps to fill the hair out. So the purpose of the hair hydrator is to give the hair body, a little bit of shine, make it feel nice and soft. Especially good if you have fine hair, it's going to make it feel much thicker. The key ingredient is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a moisture binder, so it binds moisture from the environment to your hair. So it's going to help to sort of thicken it up a little bit. So the best way to do it is to, well, I'll show you first what it looks like. It's a lightweight, non-sticky gel, looks like that. And you would just basically work it through the hair. I just put it in my hair in another video, so I'm not going to do it again, but you would just work it through the hair, and then you could just leave it as it is, let it dry, or for maximum results you would then use a blow dryer or hair dryer, and that's going to really plump up the hair, give you some serious body. So yeah, check it out, shopmasc.com, and of course we have it in the store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.